How to use GrubHub Driver. Start by downloading the GrubHub Driver app from your device's app store. Visit the GrubHub Driver sign-up page online. Open the app and create your driver account by entering your full name, email, phone number, and home address. Upload required documents such as your driver's license and vehicle information. Complete the background check process, which is standard for GrubHub drivers. Set up your payment details within the app so you can receive earnings. Choose your preferred delivery area or region where you want to accept delivery requests. Switch your driver status from unavailable to online or taking offers to start receiving delivery orders. Use the app's features to accept or decline delivery tasks. Track orders and follow customer instructions. Once you receive an order, pick it up from the restaurant and deliver it promptly to the customer's address. After delivery, mark the order as complete in the app and optionally add notes or take pictures if required for contactless delivery. Monitor your earnings and ratings within the app to improve your driver experience. Remember to check for app updates and GrubHub policy changes regularly to stay compliant and benefit from new features. Subscribe.